add to the idea of BDNF, the other important studies from the forest therapy world, forest bathing world, is that, you know, several days of time spent in places like this, extended periods of time, where our body gets to get out of flight and fight mode from all of the stimuli that's constantly smashing our senses, is that our executive function fires up. You know, it becomes more stable and more capable. And there too is a moment for brokering new insights, overcoming a problem, thinking through something that's troubling you. So the combination of physical activity, a daily movement practice in a natural setting is kind of leaning into the best of what movement has to offer, movement in natural settings. And so we have this kind of combination of a movement practice in a natural setting, which is one of the best kind of things for cognitive health. I just think that's really interesting.